Hey there friends, I'm back again with another tutorial. In this video, I will teach you a neat trick to create a more spacious and clutter-free desktop. It's all about how to hide the taskbar in desktop mode on Windows. By doing this, you can maximize your screen real estate and enjoy a cleaner workspace. Let's get started. So to hide the taskbar, right-click on an empty space on the taskbar itself. From the context menu that appears, select Taskbar Settings. This will open the Taskbar Settings window. In the Taskbar Settings, look for the Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Desktop mode. Toggle this option on. When enabled, the taskbar will automatically hide when you're not using it, giving you more room to work. And that's it, you have successfully learned how to hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to hide the taskbar in desktop mode on Windows. Now you know how to hide the taskbar in desktop mode, creating a clean and spacious workspace. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more valuable content. So stay tuned, enjoy your clutter-free desktop with a hidden taskbar. See you in the next video.